Hi there everyone, my name is Zakara and I'm from a program called Engageable Designs. Today we're going to be making a Chinese swan pond, aka an abacus. An abacus is used as a calculator where you can perform basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And today we are going to make one, so let's get started. Alright, so the materials needed for this abacus are going to be 6 jumbo craft sticks. You're going to need 28 beads, doesn't matter what color they are. You'll need 4 pipe cleaners and also glue of some sort. I'm using a hot glue gun. You can also use craft glue, Elmer's glue, whatever you have in your home. All right, so the first step that we're gonna do is with 3 of the jumbo craft sticks, we're gonna mark 4 dots on each of the sticks that are evenly spaced out, just so you can have a better idea as to where you're gonna be placing the glue. All right, so the next step is going to be to take each of your 4 pipe cleaners and to fold them in half, as I've done here. So when placing the beads on your pipe cleaner, remember you're supposed to have 7 beads. We're going to be placing 5 beads at the bottom. Remember to leave about 1 inch at the bottom from the tip of the pipe cleaner. We're going to just place all 5 of the beads, the first 5, as so. And then give about 2 inches from the top bead and start placing the last 2 beads. Again, remember to leave about 1 inch from the tip of the pipe cleaner. And at the end, it'll look like this. So what I'm doing now is taking our beaded pipe cleaners, and now it's time to glue them to the popsicle sticks that we drew the dots on. So just remember when placing your beads on the pipe cleaner to leave about 1 inch on both ends of the pipe cleaner so that you're not getting glue on the beads, because then you won't be able to use the abacus properly. Once you've completed assembling your abacus, this is what it should look like. Notice how there are 2 beads at the top of every column and 5 beads at the bottom of every column, and you want to be sure that there are no tips of your pipe cleaner showing at the tops and bottoms. If there are, that means that you will not have enough space to move the beads up and down, which is necessary when using the abacus. All right, now the final step is going to be to write the value of each column on the abacus. All right, now I want you all to stay tuned for part 2 of how to use the abacus.